Welcome to TTA Academy. I am Araj and today we are launching our comprehensive training for Project Chive. In this lesson, you will learn exactly what Project Chive is and the vital role you will play as a contributor in this ecosystem. Project Chive is an affiliate video product relevance project. The mission is simple but critical. Your job is to review Facebook posts and compare them with the attached affiliate shopping links to ensure shoppers get exactly what they expect. Specifically, you must determine whether the product shown in the Facebook post matches the product in the affiliate link. This ensures a seamless experience for potential buyers. One of our most important rules: never open the live affiliate link. Always make your decision using only the captured task snapshot provided in your workflow. Consistency is key. During each task, you will walk through a structured evaluation process to determine the relationship between the video content and the product link. You will evaluate the type of page the link opens, whether a single product is selected, if it's a bundle, how it relates to the post, and the correct product category. The interface will ask you specific questions. For example, is there a presenter visible? Is there a voiceover? And most importantly, is the product a match, a similar item, or not related? We categorize these as same product, similar product, or not related. Getting this distinction right is the difference between a high-quality audit and a failure. Accuracy is extremely important. Do not guess. Base every answer only on the visible evidence in the task snapshot. We value quality above all else in Project Chive. Remember, follow the decision tree, ignore size differences, and use your guidelines. Following these steps carefully will lead to high accuracy and a successful production qualification. In our next lessons, we will explain every workflow with real-world task examples. Thank you for learning with TTA Academy. I'll see you in the next module.